Hey there and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to my channel and thank you so much for being here. If you're new, make sure you subscribe before you leave, and if you're a returning subscriber, make sure you hit that little bell down below for notifications on when I put up new videos. I upload twice a week. Alright, this has been a mission and a half. I somehow lost my remote, so I'm really hoping I'm focused right now. I had to place my suitcase on my bed where I sit to focus it, so I'm just gonna really hope that this is working, but that is not what we're diving into in today's video. I have had a lot of questions about my red hair, about maintenance of red hair. Maybe in like a later video I'll get more in depth into that. I wanted to try a new product that I've seen on the market and that I've seen around and heard really good reviews for, and also I was lucky enough to team up with them, and they are called oVertone, which is a color conditioning wash that you can use. I mean, depending on like fast your color washes out, you can use like once a week, once every 2 months. So before we get into the nitty-gritty of this video, I do want to thank oVertone for sponsoring this video. They're more known for their like unique colors like pinks and blues and maybe like brighter reds and greens and all the colors of the rainbow, but they actually just came out with 3 new colors, which is honey brown, rich black, and espresso brown. Obviously I wanted to try honey brown because it is closest to my red hair color, and I'm definitely more on like the natural red sides. I have already used it, but I'm going to take you guys along for the process. But I'm going to have all the information on where you can get oVertone in the description below. This stuff is awesome, but I'm not going to make you guys wait any longer, so grab a snack, get comfortable, and let's get started. Okay, so as I already mentioned, I am going to be kind of sprucing up my color a little bit today using oVertone. I am using honey brown, and I kind of feel like I want to go a little bit more brown for a little bit. I've always really liked honey brown, and with the help of oVertone, I'm going to give myself like a semi-permanent color. I'm also really excited to see if the deep conditioning really helps my hair. So I'm going to go ahead and put it on my head. But in general, I've never used this before, but I did just watch like a bunch of videos and people kind of giving their recommendations. So I'm excited to kind of spruce up this hair color a little bit, make it look a little bit more vibrant, a little bit more fresh. So I will check back in a little bit and let you know how it works. Anyways, I'm going to check back. I'm going to put this in my hair, kind of let you know how the process goes. I would show you like the process, but I have a lot of white in here and I am not about to put it on anywhere but my bathroom. But I do know for the best results, they say put it on dry hair. So I'm going to leave my hair dry. I'm going to leave it on for about 10 minutes. I believe they said about 10 minutes. I think you can leave it on for longer if you want, but I'm just going to stick to this suggested length. Wash it out and then come back and let you guys know how it looks. Okay, so it's been a couple hours since I put the oVertone in my hair. I definitely didn't keep it in for a couple hours. I just kept it in for about 10 to 15 minutes, and I am way more impressed than I ever thought I could be. You can see my hair is a lot more vibrant, and it was honey brown, but I still feel like I have a lot of the red. I feel like it's actually kind of the perfect color and shade for my red hair. And you guys, I can't even tell you how obsessed I am with this. It also covered my roots and my grays, which you might be seeing a little bit of like air spun in my hair, but like seriously, this is really impressive. I'm sorry I keep looking at myself in the viewfinder, but I'm just like really obsessed. I got the color to go on pretty evenly, and for like a really inexpensive also conditioning treatment that's gonna help me keep the longevity of my red hair, I just feel like this is in a lot of ways kind of like priceless, because red hair can be such a hassle to upkeep. And I'm really, really impressed with the results. This really seems to be like the perfect color for me. My hair feels really nice as well. And aside from the fact that like I just did it a little bit more messy than I would have liked to, this looks pretty great. And I'm very, very impressed with the results. You guys can see that my hair looks like a lot more refreshed. It looks nicer. It looks like, you know, kind of like I just came from the salon. Okay, so as you can see, I'm pretty obsessed with my hair. And this is second day hair. This is like after, you know, sleeping on it, and I still feel like the brightness and the vibrancy of it is amazing. I genuinely didn't know what to expect from oVertone. I also didn't know how much of the honey brown would change the hair color that I currently have, but honestly, this stuff worked perfectly. I'm gonna keep this on hand and probably continue to purchase it for myself because it's just such a good, like, once every, you know, month treatment for me when my hair is looking like a little bit dull. I want to thank oVertone again for sponsoring this video. I am genuinely super impressed with this product. I've heard so many good things and I think you guys will love them too. Don't forget to check out the description below to get yours. This stuff is awesome and I am so happy it is in my life. But I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this video. So don't forget you can find new videos from me every Wednesday and every Sunday, and new blog posts every Tuesday and every Thursday, and I'll see you next time. Bye!
I see no reason why I should ever let you go. I don't wanna wake up if I'm dreaming because